In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change decimal places in AutoCAD quickly and easily. This is a really useful setting if you want your measurements to display with more or fewer decimal places while working on technical drawings, floor plans, or detailed design files. Whether you're cleaning up a drawing, improving readability, or matching project standards, adjusting precision in AutoCAD only takes a few clicks. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple AutoCAD tutorials just like this one. Let's jump right in. First, open your drawing in AutoCAD. You can do this by launching the file you want to work on and waiting for the drawing to fully load. Once your project is open, look to the top left corners of the screen and click the Application menu, which is the big AutoCAD A icon. This menu gives you access to a lot of important file and drawing options. After the Application menu opens, move your cursor down and click Drawing Utilities. This section contains several tools related to drawing setup and management. From there, select Units. This will open the Units dialog box, where you can control how units and numerical values are displayed in your drawing. Inside the Units dialog box, look for the Precision setting. This is the option that controls how many decimal places AutoCAD shows. If you want more accuracy displayed, choose a higher precision. If you want the numbers to look cleaner and less detailed, choose a lower precision. This is especially helpful when you're working with dimensions that need to match a specific standard or presentation style. Once you've selected the decimal precision you want, click OK to apply the changes. As soon as you confirm, AutoCAD will update how measurements are displayed based on the new precision setting. Your drawing data is still the same, but the way it appears on screen and in certain measurement fields will now reflect your chosen decimal format. And that's it. You've now changed the decimal places in AutoCAD. It's a small adjustment, but it can make a big difference in how professional and readable your drawings look. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more AutoCAD tips and step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.